want to wear bras in their home? Like who?
With our mums, there's a lot of like internalized misogyny.
If a guy is wearing shorts, those are going to be clothes for him. Those are not going to be short clothes.
Mom's like, "Teko sharam nahi aati." He's getting up to pick up his plate. Take Papa's plate.
Welcome back to yet another exciting episode of Hot Talk. I literally said that in a typical host language.
Yeah.
And today we're going to talk about misogyny. But before we do that, I think, Mansi, would you like to tell everyone what is the definition of misogyny?
Very, very broad definition is anything that you say or do that works against women.
We'll be discussing misogyny in general day-to-day lives, and we are going to be reacting to some instances.
All the time. I have actually come back from office and my mom's like, go run inside, wear pants and come back, you're wearing such a short dress.
ये तो I feel most घरों में ये होता ही रहेगा. And I guess in our natural habitat we don't want that. Who would want to wear bras in their home? Like who?
I think you've changed because some uncle is coming and you were roaming around with a bra. Without a bra. With a bra.
I don't think कभी भी ऐसे बोला है कि वो शर्ट पहन के दरवाजा खोले or something. Whatever they are wearing and they are opening doors and sitting in front of people.
Sometimes for delivery also, people are like, you know, Zomato वाला आ रहा है.
Yeah. Like if your AC wala is coming.
Yeah, then you have to wear.
क्या घर पे plumber आ रहा है? How are you sitting at home?
Because उनका तो क्या ही वो तो.
अरे वो प्लम्बिंग करने आ रहा है, सडनली उसका ध्यान भटक जाएगा तो क्या करेगा? कैसे नल का ठीक होगा? है ना?
आपकी शॉट्स थोड़ी ऊपर जा सकती है तो मैं लंबे टाइम तक रह सकता हूँ.
Fortunately, that has not happened to me because I've always worked in media and whatever, and people like that around me have been chill.
उल्टा मुझे काम दिया हुआ है and मैं लेट तक रुकी भी हूँ.
The opposite has happened because, like, you know, people who know that you're a young, vulnerable girl who's trying to make her way in the industry, they probably gave me a job that required me to stay longer. So you would have fewer people in office, and that kind of gets scarier because you know that the intention is to keep you at work without any real good reason.
Ladies or girls, they don't prefer to take job very far from their home because they might, you know, they have to go back and do all the ghar ka duties as well.
Office ka काम सब कुछ.
But when it comes to the guys, they don't fucking see that location. They're getting a job. They'll fucking go to the moon if they have to go for a job.
Hell yeah, all the time.
Yep.
Course.
I remember even as a kid, I could be doing anything, reading a book. If my dad got off the dinner table and picked up his plate, Mom's like, "Teko sharam nahi aati." He's getting up to pick up his plate. Take Papa's plate.
मैंने ये हर घर में देखा है कि the ladies take the charge of the kitchen and of serving and everything, and they will be the last to see.
I grew up with a brother, so I think with our mums, there's a lot of like internalized misogyny. उनको बोला गया है कि लड़के ये काम नहीं करते. So they on their own sort of start doing this demarcation where if you're sitting on the table, they will ask you to serve something instead of your brother who is just like literally arms reach में होता है.
ऐसे नहीं है कि men don't cook, men don't serve. They do.
Yeah.
But it will be like a 1 day or 2 day thing.
It will be their choice. It's not their duty. It's not expected out of them. It's like, हाँ चलो आज मन है मुझे, and then they get what appreciation.
Exactly.
They're cooked.
Short of digesting the food for the men,
Chew करके दे दो.
you have to do everything. Yeah. So it's very interesting where you're like, why am I doing so much when this person is equally or maybe more capable in that point of time to do the
Closer
same job.
to the dal.
Yeah, just do it yourself.
खाना बनाया
किया.
बाप रे.
कितना काम करता है.
अच्छा बेटा, एकदम अच्छा बेटा.
The thing is that misogyny, I think, is starting from the woman.
Correct.
You know, a lot of us think men need to change, but I have honestly seen these instances really happen a lot with men. You know, your mother, your sister, the women in your life, your grandmothers, these are the people who actually tell you to behave a certain way. कर लेना, so what? क्या है? Ego, तू चुप हो जा, you don't fight, you don't reply. So it's always like, why don't you back off? You've always taught to back off.
We pledge to make our children serve for everyone, like not be gender biased. And
Bro, जो भी अभी हमने किया है ना, लाइक हमारे साथ में भी हो रहा है, वो तो हम होने देंगे नहीं.
especially if there's a family gathering, my mom till today will especially call me chota dress mat pehenna.
Now when it comes to shorter clothes, I mean, women have progressed. They are wearing what the fuck they want to. But ये होता है. If a guy is wearing shorts, those are going to be clothes for him. Those are not going to be short clothes.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. This has happened to me. I refused to take my husband's family name after I got married. So the priest, or who we call Paiji, goes on the certificate, what is your name? So I say Jasleen Kaur Gupta. They're like, but these guys are not Guptas. I said, yeah, that's my maiden name. He got so offended, he took it on his he took it personally. Ki main aise kar rahi. So he refused to write Gupta on the certificate. He finally left it too. He made peace with it and came to Jasleen Kaur and left it at that with a lot of sunana to me over different things that happened. And all I did is kept smiling.
Obviously, it's a choice. It should be a choice.
I have not taken my husband's name. I won't unless he takes my name, and my name is extremely common, so he hates it. So फिर I will not take his name. He will not take my name. Everyone's happy. Anything that is told you are supposed to do because of your gender is easily, that's easy to identify. Say no, because it's okay to say no. You'll upset a few people, you'll trample on a few feet. It's okay. People get upset about these things because you're changing something.
Episode is being shot just to prove a point that, misogyny happens. You're probably it is happening with you right now, and you don't know about it, you're not realizing it. And it is high time that you understand. It is high time you are aware.
Anything that keeps telling you you can, should or cannot do something because of your gender is misogyny.
Correct.
Simply put. And I cannot stress enough how men are doing it. Men are waking up. Women need to wake up. Women do this more to other women. More than men, I have really had women do this to me. Wake up, and you deserve. Stop buying into the narrative that has been told to you over the years. It's conditioning. I was there. I understand. It's very difficult to get out of that conditioning because you start believing it. The minute we stand up as a sisterhood and say that this is not okay, the men will just literally follow.